Good morning, y'all. It's Rachel here. Well, technically it's not morning, but it is my stance that you can use that greeting as long as there's still daylight outside. So I was trying to come up with a name for this makeup look, and a friend of mine suggested sparkly forest or glittery forest. I haven't decided yet. And I went, yep, that sounds just about dumb enough. I'm gonna use that. So here comes the makeup look, and I hope you enjoy it, and also the bit of me dancing at the end. Okay? Now let's get started. Alright, the foundation I'll be using for this portion of the video is the Becca Foundation. Now I'm actually fairly recent to foundation. I don't usually wear it that much, so I'm kind of just doing what I think I should. I'm dabbing it on my skin and then spreading it out, and then I'm going to even it out with a beauty blender afterwards. Okay, we're going to be using the Semi-Precious palette by Colourpop and the color Upon a Star. It's this really pale green that's quite lovely, and we're going to be putting that all over the lid. Now we're going to be using the Urban Decay Moondust palette and the color Light Year, which is this very vivid bright green to accent the corner of our eyes. And it is very, very pigmented. I'll be using this very small brush to apply Light Year onto the bottom half of my eye. Now I'll be using this gold color West Star from the Semi-Precious palette on the inner corners of both of my eyes. Now I'll be using the Tartelette Palette to color my eyebrows. Just use whatever powder you usually use to fill in your eyebrows. I actually can't find my angled brush, so I'm using the same small brush from earlier. Who's to say how efficient it actually is? It seems to work though. Now we'll be lining our eyes with the Stila eyeliner pen. While I do enjoy a cat eye, for this look I'm doing a eyeliner style that I prefer recently, where I start from the middle of my eye and I draw a very thin line until it thickens straight out afterwards. Now I'll be using this pretty neutral pinky sparkly blush on my cheeks. Now I am just going over some beauty marks that I already have on my face just to accent them. Now I'll be using a Colourpop liquid lipstick, a staple of mine. I absolutely love their lipsticks. Make sure you put on Vaseline or some sort of lip moisturizer before you put it on though. Now I'm applying it to the center of my lips, because this lipstick is actually pretty dark if you apply it all the way on, and since my eyes are so colorful, I just want it to sort of be a neutral color. So I am dabbing the edges with my fingers so that it all gets blended out. Now I'm using this Mary Kay lip gloss on the very center of my lip. I don't want my entire lip to be glossy. I'm putting on the center lip, the cupid's bow, and the very bottom edge of the lip as well. And that's the end of the look.
What? No way.
Why not? We already stole a horse.
Hey, guys.
No, we didn't. Fred's a talking horse. He can do whatever he wants.
I want to steal.